Hello everyone. In this session, I'm going to explain you a step-by-step comparison of Microsoft Power BI versus Tableau versus QlikView to make your buying or learning decision easier. Moving forward, the agenda is as short introduction of these three tools, popularity, analytics and visualization feature, desktop version for development, data capturing and warehousing, easy to learn, tool upgradation, licensing cost, other programming and tool support, mobile app. Introduction. Before jumping to the comparison of these tools, let me tell you something about data analytics tool and how it will be beneficial to your business. The rich variety of data that enterprise generate contains valuable insight, and data analytics is the way to unlock them. Today, business can collect data at every point of the customer journey. This information might include mobile app usage, digital click, social media, and more. Company can use the insight they gain from data analytics to inform their decision, leading to better outcome. Most organizations understand the importance of investing in data analytics, and these tools promise cost saving, productivity gain, and better decision making. Power BI, Tableau, and QlikView, all these tools are data analytics and data visualization tools that help user to find out inside of your data and convert it into interactive report, dashboard, and stories. All these three tools are capable of connecting wide variety of data source. We will discuss about this in more detail moving forward. Popularity. According to the age of these tools, QlikView is one of the oldest data analytics tool. It was launched in 1993 but did not gain much popularity. The second oldest tool is Tableau, and it was launched in 2003, 10 years earlier than Power BI. As of now, this is number one analytics tool in the market. Most youngest and most popular tool is Power BI. It was launched in 2013. This is one of the top data analytics and data visualization tool in the market. So popularity wise, Power BI is the winner here. Analytics and visualization. Power BI has a lot of advanced analytics feature and different kind of visualization to visualize and analyze your data. At the same time, Tableau has more advanced analytical features and more improved visualization as compared to Power BI. QlikView lacking in this aspect. So here Tableau is clear winner. Moving forward, user interface. User interface of Tableau is much better when compared to Power BI. QlikView user interface is quite down when compared to Power BI and Tableau. Moving forward, desktop version. You need a desktop version of all these three tools to develop your data visualization, report, and dashboard. Power BI full version is completely free. You can download from Microsoft Store free of cost and install on your machine. Tableau Desktop 14 days trial version is available to download from Tableau official website and install on your machine. After 14 days, you have to pay for the license. QlikView Limited Desktop version is also free to download from QlikView website and install on your machine. Many times it happens when organization decided to buy some analytical tool. Before buying, they need to explore the tool, and sometimes it requires more than a month. So here Power BI is clear winner. Data capturing and warehousing. Power BI is capable of connecting wide variety of data source like web, Azure, Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, CSV file, text file, spreadsheet, SharePoint, SAP HANA, business object. Likewise, Tableau and QlikView is also capable of connecting wide variety of data source, but data source wise, Power BI and Tableau is winner here. Easy to learn. Power BI is easy to learn as compared to Tableau and QlikView. On the other hand, Tableau is not that easy to learn. It requires some analytical background. QlikView requires some programming background and more coding is required, so it is bit difficult to learn as compared to Power BI and Tableau. These points need to be considered if you are planning to buy some analytical tool and in-house development. Lot of free quality training material for Power BI available on net. Here Power BI is the clear winner. Tool upgradation. Power BI update release cycle is monthly. In every month, Microsoft come up with bug fixing, improvement in visualization, adding new feature, basic machine learning capability, data source connector, some improvement from Power BI community suggestion, and many more. Tableau release cycle is quarterly. QlikView release cycle is 5 times in a year. Here again, Power BI is winner because it implement community suggestion in every release. The most important, license cost. Power BI license cost is 9.99 USD per user per month. Tableau license cost is 70 USD per user per month. QlikView license cost is 30 USD per month per user. These days, many small and big organizations are migrating their report from expensive tool to Power BI. Let me tell you my experience. I was involved in two projects where we are migrating QlikView report to Power BI, and in another project I was involved in migrating Spotfire report to Power BI. Spotfire is also data analytics and data visualization tool. Cost wise, Power BI is winner here. There are more licensing options available for these tools. I will share link of each tool in description. Later you can explore that. Other programming and tool support. Power BI and Tableau very well supported Python, R programming for advanced analytics and data cleaning. In addition to that, you can easily integrate Microsoft Flow and Power App into Power BI report. You can easily inject Python or R code into Power BI and also integrate Python or R visual in Power BI report. On the other hand, QlikView does not support any programming language. So here Power BI is again clear winner. let me tell you about the Microsoft Flow and Power App. Microsoft Flow is a cloud-based system with which you can create automated workflow that simplify business process and manage them more effectively. Power App. It allows you to create mobile app that run on Android, iOS, and Windows. Mobile app. You can view your report and dashboard on your mobile or tablet. Power BI, Tableau, and QlikView supports mobile and tablet for Android and iOS. Conclusion. Overall, Power BI come out ahead of Tableau and QlikView when compared across these key requirements. I cannot say the other two are bad. All these three have their own set of unique quality in terms of cost. Also, Power BI lead the race because of less expensive membership fees. Last but not least, organizations should select the best data visualization tool based on their requirement, taking into consideration of the above listed feature. Please let us know who is the winner for you in comment section. Thank you for watching. I request you to please like and subscribe.